Now let's create another archive template. So we have all archive template, and if we click add new template, you can see there are several templates here. So the author archive, category archive, date archive, and tags archive. If we create author archive, it will be removed from this list, and if we create a category archive, it will be removed from this list as well. Now let's create an author archive. So before creating author archive, I would like to navigate to user and profile, because I'm the author here, and let's have a look if I have any information in my author area here. So I have to navigate to my profile, and here you can see there is no information inside biographical info. Let's add some information here. So I'm going to use a lorem ipsum dummy content, generate and copy, paste here, scroll down and save. So now let's navigate to author page, author archive. So basically I'm inside the editor, and I have to reload this editor area because we have update our author information inside our dashboard. Now let's click add new template and select author archives, and you can see there are two options. The first one is all authors, and the second one is for a specific item. So you can create a specific layouts or design for a specific author, but I would like to use for all authors. Let's select, and as you can see, it's displaying here the all archive templates. As you can choose, or you can choose a pattern. It's displaying as a pattern from all archive. You can skip, or you can choose this one. Let's skip and start from scratch, and our author archive page is completely blank here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add header first. So I just add slash and then type header. You can see the header has been added, and now we have a page header. So before adding page header, let's select header, and we can click on these three icons and add after, or we can select the header and press Command Alt Y, or if you are using Windows, you can press Ctrl Alt and Y. So let's add here, type footer. I have added footer also. Let's add page header. So we haven't created any templates for page header, and that's why it's not displaying. Let's go back to our all archives. This is all archives, and save this part as a page header, because we have created this page header, but we haven't saved this as template or as a pattern. So make sure you have disabled this part sync, because we are going to change the page header on different pages. Right now inside the title area, if you take a look at here, it's displaying archive title, but we're gonna use a different one in the future. So let's say there will be search title or search results or different kind of archive title or dynamic title there. So that's why instead, using the sync pattern, I'd like to disable this one and use only page header. So you can click over here each and every single time, or press Command K from the keyboard and type here author archives. And now I have landed into the author archives. Type here page header now. So here you can see the page header, hit enter. It's displaying author name. I just click disable. It will display only the author name. And below I'd like to add author biography, and make sure the text is white. Save changes, and if you go back to any post, let's open any post here and click author, you can see it's displaying all the author bio or information that we have added inside our author info. It's displaying here. So that's the beauty here, and this is how it works. Now let's create a different layouts here for author information. Let's add group, and I would like to add just loop here and only want to display, so I can also browse. Let's make it quick. I could simply drag this one and drop it here. So how it works, let's make it a none here. it will just display the content and the information based on author name. So let's say if the author is Riad, and if Riad created 10 posts, it will display 10 posts here based on Riad. I think I should make it a more perfect look, but let's save. And to display automatically, make sure you have select the loop and also use the default one, not the custom. It's very important. And now if you reload the Riad author page, it will display the post that has been added using Riad. But if I change the author, or if I change there is a multiple authors, it will be displaying specific post for specific authors dynamically. Let's say for an example, if I add another user, test, and contact@riadmahmud.com, add my test name, and add editor or author, whatever you want, you can add here. So you can see I have added another author called test, and if I go to post, you can see let's change the author from Riad name to Riad test name, and click update and visit this page. Click on Riad test name, and as you can see, the Riad test name has only one post, and that is displaying here, and there is no content here or the author descriptions, and that's why it's not displaying. So I hope you understand how it works, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to share with me.